About a week ago. Go.
Hi guys, what's up? It's Emmy.
Hey, it's your girl Tor, aka Tor.
And this is More Entertainment. And tonight, we are going to be reacting to the T-Bird Rockstar. Woo! Never heard of them. This came out about a year ago.
So we're curious because title's Rockstar.
Yeah.
So I'm picturing like, good vibes.
We're in a mood right now.
We are in a mood. And so I feel like the mood's been staying pretty
consistent.
Like all the songs have been really good tonight. I don't think I've really been disappointed except for one.
Not in the songs, no.
No, not in the songs.
Not in the songs.
Not, yeah.
Even
the MVs that we've been watching, we weren't disappointed,
no.
MV-wise. Okay, we're going to begin. They don't know what I'm talking about. It's okay. I could be talking about my cat. Oh, it's cold in there, obviously, if he's
Okay. He said. Okay. Does this suit our mood?
Yeah. Get it. That's a little like jacket.
I can't dance, I'm sorry.
Oh.
I like his outfits.
Ooh, who are you?
I like that outfit a lot.
Stop.
Are you a bad boy? Because we're here for it. I like his voice.
That's cute. Now, a bowling ball would not be that light, I feel like.
There's like bowling balls.
Like, it just felt like feeling.
Yes, leather.
Always looks nice. And each one of their jean jacket ones are different.
I really like his outfit a lot.
I like that when they do that. Aww.
Their vocals are really
They
good.
really do have nice vocals. Are you in a abandoned place chilling? Is that like their hangout spot? Or a place that they used to hang out with those girls?
Or are they looking through like memories?
Oh, that could be it too. Oh, I was gonna say Rockstar.
Okay.
I heard it.
It's very like kind of old school.
Yes, but it's not bad. It gets you to want to groove.
It's
is
like
what it does.
It's like a new old school.
New old school that makes you want to get up
Yes.
and join in.
Let me see what the tone is.
Digital single.
The T-Bird. My dad had T-Bird. It's a type of car for those of you who don't know.
I liked it.
Me too. I wish, like I've said before,
Little,
just a little.
But I don't know where I would have put the oomph exactly for this.
I feel like it could have came in like after when they did like Rockstar, after one of those.
Yeah.
There could have been like
one
a
or
bit
two,
of a rap.
like a different,
Yeah.
just for one of the rocks or a few of the rock star parts, but they could still keep it. But apart from that, I mean, I like it. I do like it. It gives like one of those vibes, like if you had a bunch of people in the room and you start playing that, you just want to get up and go, Rockstar, Rockstar.
When you did that, you remind me, I don't know why, but you remind me of Psy.
Do I?
Yeah, when you did it, you will. Because he's like that. I don't know. Anyways, I don't know why.
Yes.
I did like it though. It's a little.
Well, this came out last year, so that means hopefully they have more.
Hopefully.
So we can check out and see if it's a hit or not.
If not, they're due for a comeback. A year is a long time.
We've been saying this because there have been a few groups that are, they have their debut and they wait a year.
It's too long, guys.
Way too. People
Every
forget
couple
by
of
then.
months.
People forget groups by then.
I think
based off how often groups are coming out
and having comebacks. Like I think you should have at least 2 to 3, especially when you're new. A year
to get your name out there.
Yeah, for at least the first 2 to 3 years, 2 to 3 comebacks, and then once you get better known, you can kind of tone it down to 2, and then do like one big one and go on tour. Like that's how it should be, I feel. But I don't know.
We don't know.
That's just my opinion as a fan and as somebody who is very into this.
Yeah.
Shut up.
Yeah.
Anyways.
What was I gonna say? I wasn't gonna say nothing. Love you guys. But wait, no. We didn't even tell them if they wanted to recommend stuff to us, how to do it.
If you guys want to recommend stuff to us, DM us on Twitter at
Mori ENT.
Wow.
It took me a second because I had to think. I was like, wait a minute.
Wow.
I was thinking, I
give you a shot.
Here's my thing. I want to say,
and you missed
Mori Entertainment. Like, I want to do the opening part for some reason. I was like, wait, this isn't the opening part. Mori ENT, guys. Just DM us because we want to give you guys a shout out.
Yes, we do.
Oh my God.
Anyways, that's enough of that for me.
Subscribe, guys. We love you guys.
If you thought that was cringy, subscribe.
But people like your cringy. Haven't we already established that? You
That's
guys
true.
like Emmy's cringiness.
That's true. On the live on Twitter, people, I don't know why. Anyways, I love you guys. Bye.